Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. Today we're going to come up with a new contest, try to get our foam more out into the marketplace. It's an incredible product. There's just not enough people have been exposed to it, so we thought this would be a good approach to use. We're going to call it the Foam Tower Contest. We're going to send you foam. Now we're going to send you our 25 by 2 inch high by 18 inch long pieces. You can go on our website and see it. It's the small size. I think it's number 14 in the shop section. And what you're going to do is you're going to stack them as high as your speaker. Now this contest is just for 2-channel guys. It's not for theater. So you've got your speakers and you're going to stack the foam here between them, okay? They're very lightweight. I don't know how much each piece weighs, but it's less than a pound. And I want you to get them as high, however many it takes. That's why when you send us your information, we need to know the speaker height. So if it's 4 feet, you know, we got to have 24 pieces of foam sent to you, right? So you can stack them. Now, let's do an overview. What I want you to do is really 3 positions. I want you to stack the foam close to the front edge, back a little bit, and then back a little bit more to the back edge of the speakers, in the center, okay? It's going to do a lot of things, and we'll talk about all those things. And I'm hoping you'll discover those things on your own and talk about them in the video that you're going to do in exchange for all these nice things we're doing for you. All right? So what marketing is? Transactional, right? So I want you to spend 14 days, at least a couple weeks, listening to everything that's your favorites with the stack in place. In the front position, second position, and third position. About 2 weeks, you should be able to figure it out. And then just do a 2 to 3 minute video. It doesn't have to be high production value. It has to be honest. You have to say what you heard, the differences. Please comment on the differences in positions 1, 2, and 3, and then we'll do supporting videos and walk through that on the whys of that, okay? So it's very, very important. After 2 weeks and the video's done, box it up. We'll have our people pick it up, send it off to the next guy. We're going to keep doing this, kind of paying it forward, if you will, down the line, and then accumulating hopefully many videos that we can put together in a montage. And, you know, everybody can see that. I'm tired of, you know, telling everybody how good it is. It's wonderful, but it's better if other people use it actually and then tell you, you know, it'll be easier for you to hopefully believe. So place the foam tower in the subject line of your email. Send your email to info@acousticfields.com with that subject line. Make sure I have your speaker height. Make sure I have your ship to address and your contact phone number. And then we'll accumulate these over 2 or 3 weeks, and then I'll make a decision. Hopefully we can get some that are in the same state so we can, you know, work in that state and then go to another state, whatever the geography ends up being after a couple weeks of this. So keep it in mind if you'd like to participate. 2-channel guys only. That's the way we're going to do it. It'll be easier for them to hear the differences because there's less, you know, sources, less speakers to deal with. So all we ask is a 2 to 3 minute video telling us what you heard, both good and the bad. We want to hear it all, okay? So new contest, foam tower, should be fun. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple of days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.